So that video you just watched here, I wiped it up in about 10 minutes just by typing one sentence. But is the tool behind it, Invideo AI, actually a solid choice for content creators? In this video, we are going to find out together. So let's be real, making video is tough. It eats up a ton of time, software can be expensive, and learning a curve is that. For years, you either had to sink hundreds of hours into learning complex editing programs or shell out thousands for a pro. That barrier has kept countless great videos from ever seeing the light of the day. But what if that's finally changing? So this is where Invideo AI steps in. It's an AI-powered video generator that claims to turn your ideas into ready-to-publish videos. Let's get down to business. This is Invideo, and I'm going to show you AI image generator and other tool as well. Or you can choose based on the platforms you want to use AI features. You can create your avatar as subtitle here. You can do from a simple text prompt or even anything else you can even imagine. The promise is huge in only one tool. Write script, find script, and adds voiceover and even picks the music. With a large and growing user base, is clearly making some noise. So I decided to put it to the test by myself. So just like this, here is the login or sign up button. You can create your account for free, and it's going to take a few seconds. It's going to be so fast. Then you can start your work immediately. After you created your account or sign up, you can generate any kind of content. So to see just how good it is, I'm going to build a video from the ground up right now. The whole platform runs in your browser, so you don't have to download anything. So now let's get down to business. So first, I just typed my idea into the prompt box. Let's try create 1-minute YouTube short about the benefits of waking up early. So I will choose the YouTube Shorts workflow and write an energetic style and let the AI take it from there. This is where the magic starts. So just generate my video, and it's gonna generate my video. So it's already thinking about how to start the process, and it's already getting started. So we'll get notified when the video is ready. Till then, you can check out your history or keep this open if you like to. So here I'm gonna choose YouTube Shorts, and you can choose Instagram Reel. You can choose the media, basic, pro, or any kind of. And you can add even files from your device and just upload it. And you can even choose show AI twins, more options, and click here to generate, and it's going to try. Okay, the first impression, that was a shockingly fast. The visuals are high quality and surprisingly on point. The packing is quick and energetic, which is exactly what you want for a short. And the AI voice is one of the most realistic I have ever heard, with inflection that actually sounds natural. So I was pretty impressed by it, and I'm sure you are gonna love it as well. So this is the final result I'm gonna show you right now.
Action. Try waking 30 minutes earlier for 1 week. If it feels good, add 15 more. Tell me what you do with your extra time. I want ideas. Boosts mood. Action. Try waking 30 minutes earlier for 1 week. If it feels good, add 15 more. Tell me what you do with your extra time. I want ideas. Boosts mood and helps you sleep better at night. Small wins early, like making your bed a 10-minute stretch, make decision fatigue less brutal later. Productivity isn't about grinding more, it's about starting with clarity. Action. Try waking 30 minutes earlier for 1 week. If it feels good, add 15 more. Tell me what you do with your extra time. I want ideas.
But what if I want to tweak things? This brings me to my favorite feature, the magic box. Instead of wrestling with a complicated tunnel, you just type what you want for. For example, I can type in change the accent to British or make it through a bit funnier, and AI just does that. Alright, let's break down the good and the bad for a fair review. So I'm gonna focus on the good things first and foremost. So on the pro side, the number of advantage is speed and simplicity. It turns that what could be hours of work into just a few minutes, and the quality that you get from AI is genuinely impressive. And the huge stock library means your videos don't all look the same. So it's also a really cost-effective way to produce content in a bulk, and you can create your ideas so fast. So, but it's not perfect like anything. So the free plan will put a watermark on your videos, and you can pay for another subscription, which is not priced at all. So I think it's worth it. So it doesn't give you the same tune control as a pay plan, but it's gonna be good quality as well. So I personally really enjoyed this. tool as well. So I'm gonna try it and show you other tools as well. So now let's head back to the page. You can click here, create a new one, make an explainer video, use scripts or any workflows, or you can go back to the main page to get inspired by others and just log in with another account if you like to. You can choose other tools like this one, and I suggest you to look around and see the other tools as well, so you can get inspired to create other kind of platforms. And you can even choose a voice cloning on AI avatars, and there are resources. You can watch tutorials if you feel like lost. So these are the other projects you can check out, and you can just get explore if you click on the button. And these are the effects and vision you can use and choose to do another video by your own. So what do you think? Is this tool could see yourself using? Drop a thoughts in your comments below. And so what's the final verdict on Invideo AI? I think it's an incredibly powerful tool that really does what it says on the main page, and also give you the freedom to create anything you want. This is a brilliant solution for a few specific groups that I'm gonna just highlight right now. So the first group is for beginners. If you are totally new to making videos, it's perfect entry point. The learning curve is almost non-existent, and it's really friendly user, so you can start create it immediately. So it's also good for marketers and small businesses who can churn out professional looking ads, product videos, social content, and any kind of thing you have in mind right now. So the other group is content creators. This thing is a content machine. If you are making a YouTube short, TikTok, or running faceless channels to earn a revenue, Invideo AI can massively boost your output and help you create stunning visuals for free. So here you can choose your format like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, and you just click here and start creating your video and sign up. And here you can type in your prompt and start working immediately. So in the end, Invideo AI has done that a major barrier to creating videos. It's not about if you can make a video anymore, it's just about what you want to make. And it puts the production in reach for pretty much everyone, and that alone makes it a game changer for a lifetime. So now, if you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to give an Invideo AI a try, I will left a link for you down in the description. And thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next time.